2, 3.
Hi, beautiful friends! Welcome back to Sisters Me. Do you know what time it is? It's science time with Sisters Me. Abracadabra! Safety first! Boo! What are we doing today? Today we are going to explore dried ice. Abracadabra! Wow! Make sure you have an adult help you. Right here we have 3 cups of dried ice that was filled by a grown-up. And we have a cup of warm water, a cup of dish soap and blue food coloring, and a cup with water and red food coloring. We're going to pour the water and ingredients into the dried ice and see what the reaction is. Let's do the water first. Here we go. Whoa! Scary. Yeah, it did look scary. It feels really cold. Bubbling! Look at this smoke. It looks like a potion. I'm evil. I'm a witch. It doesn't feel cold, but it feels cold with those gloves on. It makes a funny sound. Look at the bottom. The ice, it's going up into the smoke. And I think it's making smoke. Let's do the red food coloring next. Okay, let's do this. Maybe it might make red smoke. Oh. I thought it was going to make red smoke. Coming into my face. Oh, I can smell it. It smells weird. It smells like hotel fridge. Oh, I can see bubbles. Bubbles. Oh, the smoke is popping the bubbles. Oh, no. Whoa. Oh, no, it's going to explode again. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Cool. It is. I forgot the colors. Oh. It's like a pot of this explosion. One's gone now. Look. It's just popping. Whoa. It's making red juice. Whoa. And now for the soap. I wonder what's going to happen this time. Ah! Whoa, that came up fast. Okay, that's all. Okay, there's bubbles on the cup now. It's not falling off the plate. But it's white, so I think that's going to not... That is cool. It's falling off the plate now. Like there is a lot. Whoa. Wait, really? Oh, it's cold. It's cold bubbles. It's not even popping. It's the same. Oh, I got a hand of bubbles. Can make snowman. Don't do that. It's gonna make more stuff to clean up. It's not popping. Oh, it's cold. Don't do that. I don't think it's going to pop. My hands are so bubbly. That was so cool. Did you think it was cool? Comment down below what was your favorite. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And give it a huge thumbs up. And be kind to others. And make a new friend. Bye-bye. See you next time.